You sit down, ready to work. This time you swear, no distractions. But within minutes, your mind drifts. You grab your phone, just for a second, a quick scroll, a reply to a message. Suddenly, an hour is gone. Again. You tell yourself, it's just a small break. But deep down, you know the truth. You've lost control. And the worst part? This feels normal now, like your brain just doesn't work the way it used to. But here's what they don't tell you. Your focus isn't broken. It's been rewired. Every notification, every endless scroll, every quick dopamine hit has trained your mind to chase distractions instead of deep work. And if you don't take back control, your biggest dreams, building wealth, upgrading yourself, living life on your terms, will stay out of reach. But here's the good news. You can rewire your brain, and it won't take months or years, just 7 days. 7 days to rebuild your focus from the ground up. But be warned, this won't be easy. Your brain will fight back. Your old habits will try to pull you in. The question is, are you ready to break free? Let's be real. If you think you can focus while drowning in distractions, you're lying to yourself. Your phone isn't just a tool, it's a weapon against your attention. Every app is engineered to hook you. Every notification is a trap. So today, you go all in. Delete time-wasting apps, turn off notifications, set screen limits and no phone zones. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable, almost like withdrawal. And that feeling? That's proof your brain has been hijacked. But now you're taking back control. And if you want a detailed guide on how to do this right, I've already covered it in another video on my channel. Go check it out if you're serious about cutting distractions for good. Right now, your attention span is weaker than ever because it's been split into 1,000 directions. But focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. The method? Deep work. Pick one task, set a timer for 25 minutes. Go all in, 0 distractions. When the timer ends, take a short break. But don't touch a screen. Walk, stretch, or just sit in silence. At first, your brain will resist. You'll crave distractions. But push through, and something incredible happens. You start actually getting things done. This is where most people fail. You'll feel restless. Your brain will beg for quick dopamine hits. One video, one scroll, one text. This is the test. If you can push through, everything changes. Your thoughts get clearer. The constant noise fades. And for the first time in years, you're in control. Most people think focus is about willpower. It's not. It's about energy. If you're eating junk, sleeping terribly, and sitting all day, your focus will suffer. The fix? Eat brain-boosting foods, healthy fats, proteins, and no sugar spikes. Get at least 7 hours of deep sleep. Move your body every single day. This is the unsexy secret to high performance. Fix this, and your focus will skyrocket. This is what 99% of people overlook. You can actually train your brain to resist distractions. And no, this isn't about sitting in silence for hours. Just 10 minutes a day of focused attention can rewire your brain for deeper concentration. Pick one thing, your breath, a sound, a single point. Focus on it. When your mind drifts, bring it back. That's brain training. And the more you do it, the stronger your focus gets. Flow state is where time disappears, ideas flow effortlessly, and you do your best work. But flow doesn't happen by accident. It's triggered by challenge. If your work is too easy, you get bored. Too hard, you get frustrated. The key is to find that sweet spot where you're pushing yourself just enough to stay engaged. The world's top performers, entrepreneurs, athletes, artists, spend most of their time in this state. And now you're about to join them. Most distractions aren't conscious choices. They're automatic reactions. Maybe you grab your phone when you're bored. Maybe you procrastinate when you feel stressed. These are triggers. And once you recognize them, you can replace them. Instead of scrolling, read. Instead of wasting time, take a quick walk. Every time you make this switch, you're rewiring your brain for success. By the end of the week, you'll realize something life-changing. This was never just about focus. It was about taking back control. You'll notice how most people are trapped in distraction, chasing quick dopamine hits, unable to concentrate on what truly matters. But not you. You've rewired your brain. You've built a mental fortress. If you're serious about mastering your mind, you need to understand what's destroying your attention in the first place. There's a hidden force keeping you distracted, and if you don't break free from it, everything you've built over the past 7 days could disappear. Watch this next video, where I expose the truth about why you can't focus anymore.